Pallet racking garage. About 10 years ago I built this fella. 100% in pallet racking, just clad on the outside. I'll go through it, it's a bit cold and drafty a minute, so I'll shut this down. Whoops, knock it place to bits. Going down, going down. So yeah, pallet racking. Split down, each section is a C-section, if you can understand that. It fits inside each other. I've got a piece to show you. Yeah, I used to have an intermediate spar that run across, and then I put the 2-post lift in. Snow loading was originally a worry, but to make that wall super strong, I put a kink in it, i.e. like a bent card to give that point structure. So yeah, this one's been up 10 years, not insulated at all. It's primarily just a workshop, and in England it doesn't get mega cold. I extended the back of this one out when I built the other side, but it is a viable construction product, and it's really cheap to buy. Now your pallet racking, basically speaking, comes as 2 C-sections, which I can't show you because I haven't got a piece in here. I did have yesterday. Oh, I do. Yeah. I've just used a bit of this pallet racking to repair the chassis on my van. But it's good stuff for everything, really. But yeah, if you can look at that, there's like 2 C-sections that they're both exactly the same panel, and they drop inside each other. So this entire garage, I left the vertical supports, those as 2 joined together sections because they carry the weight all the way through. Whereas a space frame, it makes a brilliant welded together structure. So this year, with lockdown and COVID-19 being what it was, I decided to buy a few more bits and build a clean store for my stuff, because the workshop wanted to be a mucky area to work and basically make dust and crap. So I built this. It's a little bit warmer because it's fully insulated. 100% pallet racking. All the roof spars on this side are left double full strength, welded at the ends and supported centrally with the office structure there, so we're not worried about snow loading because these things are rated at 2 tons a piece or something like that. But yeah, it's made a good thing. Double skinned with insulation between. Obviously those uprights run all the way through. I've yet to clad this with timber. That's the rock wool that's just tied to it with MIG wire at the moment until I get my boards clad. Roof sheets insulated with Kingspan. I've still got to work out a means of stopping condensation on the actual clear ones, but it's made a useful store. It really has. Pallet racking is ideal. Roller shutter on this side. We've even managed to build a pallet racking office. Works well. With heating as well, with a Webasto, a Chinese heater in it. Down there. But yeah, it's made a useful structure. All in cost on this side is probably about 4,000, including the floor. The pallet racking beams themselves under 250 quid. And I split the horizontal ones, but the main spars that carry the main weight of the roof, they're solids. Tied in at 2 points, it's welded to the structure at that point there, and supported centrally, welded at that point there. There is only one free span. There's only one free span beam, and that's that one, but it's supported from the sides all the way along, so that able to carry its load on that central spar. But it's solid, rag bolted to the floor. In areas at the base of the structure, move the push iron, I put little tags down into the floor and concreted those tangs in all the way around, so it's tied into that structure as well. It's not going anywhere. It's a pretty thing. It's not your average doohickey shed, because it's quite a pretty thing. Yeah. It's alright. Does the job. And it's pretty green as well, because everything I used was recycled, apart from the insulation and the sheets. So, back of pallet racking garages. Brilliant.